No more eggs, no more eggs. We now return to Hot Dip and Hayden.
Everything is right on schedule, Your Highness.
Excellent. And can you, talk in a higher pitch? It's really disturbing.
Dip out! Dip out! Dip, 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 dip out!
Hot Dip? Hayden?
I've told you 1,000 times, Jolene. Hot dip is not for...
I've always hated that slogan.
It's up to you now, Hayden. You know what you need to do.
I don't think I can do it, Hot Dip.
Yes, you can, kiddo. There's a little hot dip inside of everyone.
Hey! What the? Hey, Jolene! What is happening? Loogaloo! The world and elsewhere, Jolene! The world
Make it stop,
and
make it
elsewhere!
stop, make it stop, make it stop.
Now finish her off, Hayden.
I can't believe I'm about to dip out my own man. Dip out! Hayden? Mom?
You gotta dip it strong. You gotta dip it proud. And when life gets tough, you gotta dip out. Well, there's a little hot dip inside of everyone. Oh, yeah. There's a little hot dip inside of each of us. Oh, yeah. There's a little hot dip inside of you, inside of me, inside of him, inside of her. There's a little hot dip inside of everyone.
Extra sauce.
Double and double and double-y-do. Double and double and double-y-do. Double and double and double.